Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we will see how we can use the various options available in Excel to protect our sheets and workbooks. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to the Review tab in your Excel sheet here, and then you'll see the options here. So we'll see all these three options one by one. So let's go first with the Protect sheet. Now when you click on the Protect sheet, it will ask you to supply a password to unprotect it. So basically that's the password that you need to enter when you need to unprotect the sheet. So I just type in a password, click on OK, and then we have to confirm the password by re-entering. And once done, you'll see that the sheet is protected and you're not allowed to change any values or any cells anywhere on this sheet 1. So we're here on sheet 1. But here we have a possibility to add a new sheet, and we can type in data anywhere in this sheet. So only the sheet 1 is protected by this password. To unprotect the sheet, we again click on this button. Now it says Unprotect Sheet. We type in the password, and now this field becomes editable. Okay, so that's the way how we can protect and unprotect individual sheets. Now there is another facility which Excel provides, which says allow edit ranges. So while your sheet is protected, you can still edit some ranges that are defined, and for this I have highlighted these two cells. Okay, and now the first step is I'll define these edit ranges. So to do this, click on this allow edit ranges button, click on new, and in the refers to cells, click on this arrow and select this range. You see C14, C15, click on the enter key, and then you have to type a different password from the protect sheet. So I type this password and then re-enter the password, click on OK. Now you see that this range 1 is appearing here. Now let's see how this works. I again go back and protect the sheet. Okay, so if I click now anywhere on the sheet, it's protected. But if I click on any of these two cells, it will say that if I enter this password, I will be able to edit this range. Okay, so I type in the password here. That's the second password that I did when I defined these ranges. And now I have the facility to type some text here. So these two cells are editable, but the rest of the sheet is still not editable. So that's the use of this allow edit ranges. Now I'll go back and unprotect the sheet again, and it's editable. Now we'll see the third option, which says protect workbook. So if I click on protect workbook and I set a password here and re-enter a password, you will see that all the options that are available on the right click get disabled. So you cannot insert, delete, rename, or maybe do any other thing on like with respect to the sheets in the workbook. So basically the sheets that are existing are editable, yes, but you cannot add or delete or modify the existing sheets like in the workbook. So that way the workbook is protected. So to unprotect it, click here, it will ask for a password, type that password, and then if you right click here, you'll get all these options. I hope this video is helpful for your work. Please like and just subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.